I'm Marcy Goldstein-Gelb, and I'm Co-Executive Director of the National Council for Occupational Safety and Health, National COSH. We are a nonprofit association of 21 community organizations all across the country with a shared mission of ensuring that every worker can go to earn their living and return home alive and well. That may sound a little strange. You would assume that if somebody is going to work, that they would kiss their loved ones goodbye, do their job, and then come home and enjoy their family life. But unfortunately, we see that too often that's not the case. I mentioned an example in Massachusetts, but all across the country, these community COSH groups are identifying where are there barriers, where are there gaps in policy that need to be changed, or even working with government officials to strengthen existing policies so that workers can achieve safe working conditions, while at the same time employers can flourish as well, because when you have workers that are healthy, you certainly have a healthy workplace, and that benefits employers as well. Right, so as a national organization, our job is to support community groups all across the country so that they can be effective. So right now we have 21 affiliates in everywhere from Massachusetts, New York, Portland, all across the country. And when groups start forming, when they identify in communities that there are issues that need to be addressed, where workers are being injured or killed, we lend our support. We also offer training to communities so that they can promote safety. We work with federal and state governments to try to promote policies. We host an annual conference that brings people together to strengthen our skills and our capacity. And we also draw attention to the absolutely tragic toll when a worker dies on the job by hosting what's called Workers' Memorial Week. And that is a week where we make sure that those that lost their lives on the job are not forgotten, and that we rededicate ourselves to ensuring better safety for the coming year. The tragic deaths of several floor finishing workers really highlights why it's so critical to be bringing together all these different parties, employers, workers, and community members to address these issues. Back in 2006, floor finishing workers were working in a home in Somerville, not far from here, when the chemical that they were using burst into flames, killing these two men, badly burning other workers and destroying the home. And when the state COSH started to look into it, they found that this was not an isolated incident, that all across the state, these chemicals were creating fires that the fire department was aware of, but it wasn't clear what was the source of the problem, why these chemicals were causing these fires, and what could be done about it. And so we brought together workers that used the product, companies that sold the product, those that were experts in the chemistry, as well as other community members, to take a look at what we can do to address this thing that was causing so many injuries, deaths, and homes to be destroyed. And what we found is that there was one particular product that was so flammable that just a flick of light, just a turn of a switch could cause it to burst into flames. And so as a result of engaging all of these diverse parties in this dialogue, we were able to come to consensus that the product shouldn't be used in Massachusetts. We went to the legislature, which was very supportive, and in fact, the Somerville representative was a leader in this, and of course the incident took place in Somerville, and we were able to get this product banned in Massachusetts. Well, I would love to be a bird because I enjoy being able to watch all the wonderful creations that are in our community, as well as to be able to move swiftly and to be able to have the freedom to spread my wings and to be creative.